Right here, here's this little, what is this called? What is it? Like a rag? What is this?
Is this a rag?
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. We are here today with a brand new room tour video. This is our fourth of these, so if you guys wanted to have different room tours of the various Walt Disney World resorts, please check out the other ones. But my name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And today we're here at Saratoga Springs. We have a studio room right on the golf course. I love the balcony. Can't wait to show you guys that. And as you know, big balcony guy. But let's do this thing.
So we're staying in the grandstand section, which has its own little private pool area, but is also pretty close to the front, which is really nice. So we are not far from the quick service and the front desk, and then the main pool as well. So it's a pretty good location, and the room itself is really nice. So we're gonna show you around.
Let's do it. So coming right in, right from the front.
We got our little kitchenette, which is really sweet. We got a mini fridge, microwave, all of the amenities, coffee pot, which I know is extremely important in the morning for families with lots of kiddos. They give you kind of just some basics, cups, paper towels, and then in our closet we have extra blankets and pillows for the pull-out couch, then laundry bags, irons, ironing boards, and even a vacuum, which is new. I haven't seen one of those before in any resort, so that's really awesome. We have one sink, and it comes like with a hair dryer. They give you a bunch of towels and soaps and stuff. Great big mirror and lighting, which is awesome. I was able to do my makeup really nice this morning.
Nice.
Then the toilet.
Gotta love toilets.
Yes, these are new. These are something that Disney is doing to reduce their single waste products. So instead of doing all the mini bottles of shampoo and conditioner, they do these, which are refillable. So it helps reduce plastic.
And look, we're seeing our first theming of the Saratoga Springs, obviously themed after upstate New York and all that fun stuff. At the Animal Kingdom Lodge studio at Kidani, which we did a video on, there was like little animals on here. So you'll see like little touches in every single bathroom of, you know, the theming of the resort itself. As we get over here towards the main room, here's the big, nice bed.
The bed was really comfy. I really enjoyed it. And the TV, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little old school. But it's all good. I was able to watch Harry Potter last night, so I was happy.
They are remodeling a lot of these rooms. We actually, it looks like we got one of the older rooms.
Yeah, this is definitely one of the older rooms, and I know because when I went to go plug my phone in, all the newer rooms have a little space for like the USB plug, and this one didn't. So it's definitely one of the older rooms. However, they are working through and making renovations everywhere. So hopefully this will be updated soon.
Some more theming for you guys. Right here, here's this little, what is this called? What is it? Like a rag? What is this?
Is this a rag? I don't know. It's just like a quilt. Like it covers. It's for decorative purposes.
Maybe one of you guys will know what the hell this thing is called that they put on beds. And we got a nice little note that's definitely not printed out 1,000 times. It's clearly personalized just for us.
Ooh, and you know what else we have?
A Bible. Never seen one of those in the resort. Over here, some more theming. Another painting print of Saratoga Springs theming. And then, as she was showing you, we got some drawers down here, right on the dresser. And they've been doing this a lot lately, where they, including this big one-day book.
Yeah, this is really cool, actually. So they do sell these in the parks, but all the Deluxe resorts or the DVC resorts, they've been putting them in the room. So it's just a really cool book that goes behind a bunch of different roles that cast members play in creating the parks and the magic. Everything from performers to like actors on ABC, artists, construction, anything like that. So it's really fascinating. Star Wars. So yeah, I looked at that. It was a lot of fun.
Yes, another mirror here. another painting, or picture actually in this case.
And then we got little Maximus here from Tangled. And I don't remember his name. I want to say it's Philippe, but I believe it's supposed to be the guy from the horse from Sleepy Hollow. So I apologize, my Disney knowledge has failed. But
That looks like the horse from Beauty and the Beast too.
yeah, I know his. That's why I think it's Philippe. But I'm just gonna take a guess on that, and somebody can correct me in the comments.
Yes, this is also a pull-out couch, just so you guys know. So these studios do sleep 4, which is nice. And for the main event, here is the balcony. We are actually right on the golf course. Saratoga Springs is a pretty big resort. It's very spread out. There's 4 different sections of like where the bus stops will go and everything. Maybe we'll get hit with the golf ball live on camera. That would be fun, right?
No.
Don't worry, it'll probably be me who gets hit. But yeah, there's 2 chairs right here. Some of the balconies come out towards the pool, some towards the parking lot, and some towards the golf course. So we kind of got lucky with that. And there's actually some rooms that are actually on the far side near Disney Springs that comes out right near the water. So I'm guessing those are some of the more expensive rooms on property. But you can walk to Disney Springs from this resort.
Yeah, definitely one of the biggest perks of this resort. You can walk, or you can take a boat to Disney Springs. So you have both of those options. And it's really great for when you want to go out at night, and then it's a quick way to get home.
Yeah, and the lobby in that whole section is really clean and really nice. Maybe we'll do a separate video down the line where we like walk around each resort, but just let us know if you guys ever want us to, you know, do specific resort videos. Feel free to let us know. We're totally open to that. And like I said, check out our other room tours. We did a big 2-bedroom villa at Bay Lake. That was an awesome one.
Yeah, we also did a studio at the Kidani at Animal Kingdom. And what was it? Oh, Port Orleans.
French Quarter.
Yeah, we did Port Orleans French Quarter. For my birthday, we did one of the studio that had the king-size beds.
Yeah, so it's like those videos tend to be doing really well on our channel. You guys seem to like those, so we're going to try and do room tours when we can. But we are not rich. Not yet. Maybe someday. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out this. It's a gorgeous day. I'm a big balcony guy and a big hot tub guy. 2 needs in my life. And tacos. That's basically it. But don't eat tacos in a hot tub. That would be weird. Anyways, I'm going to end this video before I get any stranger. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like and comment and all that fun jazz. Check out the rest of our videos and check us out over on the Disney blog. We're also on Facebook and Instagram, and Molly runs the Instagram page. Post photos every single day for you guys, so check that out. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Also, guys, can't wait to say this. Holy crap. Catch you on the flip-flop. I've never been able to like say that with the flip-flop included. That was pretty sweet.
You're a dork.